guys, welcome to another one of my videos. So today I will be making lip gloss at my dad's house. So the first thing I'll be using is a spoon, a plastic bowl, a 60 ml syringe, a 3 ml pipette, and cooking coconut oil, and I'm also going to be using e-oil. And cherry scented flavor, and red glitter, and lip gloss base, and I'm going to use all the lip gloss base that I have. Now we're going to start by putting the lip gloss base into the plastic bowl. I put the rest of the lip gloss base I had into the plastic bowl. Now we're going to put some of the coconut oil into the lip gloss base, and if I add a lot, that's just because I added a lot of lip gloss base. Now I'm going to put the e-oil into the lip gloss base. Now that I finished putting all the oils in, I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to put a drop of the cherry scented flavor. I am going to add a few more drops of the cherry scented flavor and mix it again. I'm going to add the red glitter into the lip gloss, and then I'm going to start mixing it again. I added more red glitter into the lip gloss, and I'm going to start mixing it again. I finished mixing the lip gloss, and this is how it looks. It looks nice, red and glittery. Now I'm going to suck up some of the lip gloss till the syringe is full with it. Now that I am done sucking up some of the lip gloss into the syringe, I'm going to put it into this 10 ml lip gloss squeeze tube. Since it didn't fill up to the bottom, I'm going to squeeze it so that it can try to go to the bottom, and then I'm going to put more of the lip gloss into the lip gloss squeeze tube. Now that I am done putting the lip gloss into the lip gloss squeeze tube, I'm going to cap it and I'm going to clean it. I'm going to clean the top of the lip gloss with a napkin, and then I'm going to cap it, and then I'm going to clean the whole thing with a Clorox disinfecting wipe. Now that I am done cleaning all the lip glosses, I am going to put my logo on them. This is the final product of the lip gloss. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and go check out my website down in the description.